So hello, good day everyone. So today we will discuss the CLG5 evidence, the midterm coverage, second semester. So first, what need not be proved? So vegetation matters that must be admitted without need for evidence. First is judicial notice. So it is based on maxim, what is known need not be proved. Hence, when the rule invoked, the court may dispense with the presentation of evidence on judicially cognizable facts. So nga di, pasabot nga di, yaon mga facts daan na, for example, yaon sayod na daan, for example, court, sayod na daan yan. Baga, yung di-exist na daan, sayod na sila na, amo yaon, tinuod yaon, dili na yaon need ng evidence power, need na i-prove pa. So, for example, sa Tago, for example, mula nga ito na Tago, isa ko niyan siya, isa kang municipality in province of Surigao del Sur. So, di na yun siya need i-prove pa. Kay bisan ang court is sayo na daan na tinuod yun o exist. And then sa judicial notice, cognizable on certain facts which judge may properly take proof because they already know them. So nga di kabutang kung recognize na di bali ito certain facts ng judge naman di na need ng proof. Kumbaga already know them na sa kumbaga sayod na daan. So ang purpose ng judicial notice, makasave ko ng time. Ikaduha is it save effort of labor. So di na ka magagawa pa. Then ikatulo is save expenses in securing and introducing evidence. So kadi di na ako magasto-gasto pa mo, di na ako magasto-gasto pag introduce ng yung evidence pagpunta sa court kay sayo na sa daan ang court or judge based upon convenience and expediency. So judicial notice, when mandatory, a court shall take judicial notice without introduction of evidence of. So first, existence and extent of states. For example, ini the exist na daan, existence and territorial extent of states. So di na need nan evidence. Their political history, mga political history, for example, yung mga yan yung daga na ito mga example, mga president, yun sayo na daan and court, government symbols and symbols of nationality, mga nationality symbols na nato nationality. So the law of nation, walaod na nato bansa, di ba? So syempre ang judge or the court is iya ko na dahil niya recognize na niya certain facts. So the admiralty and maritime courts world and their state seals. So syempre Ika-lima, the political constitution and history of the Philippines. Political constitution and history ng Philippines. So now this the official acts of the legislative, executive, and judicial department of the national government of the Philippines. So now the law of nature. So the nature siyempre support even judge or even mga kuanda yun mga tin sa mga hearing is ayun ng mga balaod. Sunod, measure of time, then the geographical division. Sunod, judicial notice when discretionary. A court may take judicial notice of matter which are the following. So, ang court magkuha na judicial notice sa mga amoy na problema. Following. First is public knowledge. Kaduha is capable unquestionable demonstration. Yung mga unquestionable ought be known to judge because they are judicial function. Section 2, Rule 129. So first, din public knowledge. So public knowledge, facts of general notoriety. So letter E, the matter must be one common and general knowledge. So matter ko must one common and general knowledge. So dapat isada ang kumagaan matter So the matter must be one common and general knowledge. So dapat common siya o general knowledge. Kumbaga sayod tanan, di bali for example yan. Imo di bali himuon sayod tanan. Then ikaduha, it must be well authoritatively settled and not be doubtful or uncertain. So syempre dapat siya dili doubtful, kay kung if doubtful or uncertain siya, syempre ma-question siya. So pag ma-question siya, need na niya ng evidence. So makuha na mataas na ang proseso. Ikatulo, it must be known to be within the limits of jurisdiction of the court. The principal guide in determining what facts may be assumed to be judicially known is that of notoriety. So nga di para sa ma-recognize as tinodyan imo kuan ani imo for example ani imo documents o dapat may notary. For example, yan magkakaroon niya sa barangay na indigency or things na kinahanglan nimo tapos panotaryuhan nimo sa attorney. Notaryuhan mo para ma-recognize as a true document. So, at sunod sa things of common knowledge which courts take judicial matters coming to the acknowledgement generally in the course of ordinary experiences of life, or they may be matters which generally accepted by mankind as a true are capable and ready of demonstration. So nga di, sa mga ordinary experiences of life, they may matters which generally accepted by mankind. So nga di, an example nga di, yon accepted na kabitaw daan na katauhan, kumbaga na example yung tao tinuod yan siya ngayon, then siyempre di na ka question. Ikaduha, test of notoriety. For the courts to take judicial notice of facts, whether the facts involved is so notoriously known as make it proper to assume existence without proof, they must be unconditional acceptance by the public or the segments of public where the facts is relevant important. So nga di sa test nga di 16 facts involved, so there must be unconditional acceptance by the public or the segments or the public where the facts is relevant important. So nga di for example facts is exist without proof or yakwa na kung accepted na siya, siyempre there must conditional acceptance by the public. So di na siya need pa questions. So note, the facts that belief is not universal, is not controlling for the seldom that by belief is accepted by everyone. It's not the matters are familiarly known to the majority of mankind or those persons familiar with the particular matters in question, public versus court of appeals. Also, note nga di, facts belief is not dili siya universal o dili siya control, seldom that any belief is accepted. So dili tanang tinuuhan is madawat by everyone. It's not enough that the matters are familiarly known to majority of mankind or those person familiar. So take note guys, dili tanan ito niya dawat na evidence is madawat gayon, especially yung mga example yung mga bagay na sayo daan, dili tanan yan siya madawat. May kuan gyapon, may mga requisite na para mahimo siya ng judicial notice. Letter B, capable of a questionable demonstration. So field of professional and scientific knowledge. Letter C is ought be known judge because their judicial function, the facts that which are uncertainable from the record of court proceedings as to when court notice were received by party. So judicial notice versus judicial knowledge. So judicial knowledge of the court mere personal knowledge of the judge. So, judicial notice, sa court yun siya, then judicial knowledge is judge. So, judicial notice with hearing is necessary. So, during the trial, the court on its own initiative or on request of a party maybe announce its intention to take judicial notice of any matter and allow parties to be heard thereon. So after the trial and before the judgment or the appeal, the proper court on its own initiative or request of a party may take judicial notice of any matters, allow parties to be heard thereon. Such matters is decisive of material issue in case. So again, during the ngadi, and magkuan na di is judge or ngadi ang court is mag-request na pamatian ang kada parties. So sino mag-request nga di? Si court or its own OR, any party. So si court or si OR. So tinuno, so especially during trial, so before the judgment or appeal. So due process nga di ang kada party must always be given a chance. So kada party tagaan gayud ng chance na mapamatian. Then sa pinuno ini during trial, ang court mag-announce ng intention pinakauna. So pagkatapos ng trial, i-allow if ito in fact is kuan siya decisive to the case. Amo dito. So next, admission. Any statement of the facts by a party against in his interest or unfavorable conclusion for contents and inconsistent the facts alleged by him with statement of facts which does not involve acknowledged guilt or liability. So nga di admission, so example sa admission, any statement of facts by party against the interest. So siyempre against interest, so dili pabor sa imo. For example, utang ko yaon pero may pero. So not necessarily guilt. So, pag-amin niya na tinuod pero dili pasabot na giamin niya na maiya sala. For example, di bali ako ngutang, may ako kaso na utang. Laong ko na milang dahil ako na tinuod ako na gabus ako kan, for example kan Juan, gabus ako ng 1,000. Amo yun ang admission. Pero giamin mo agaw ang pagbuos pero wala mo giamin na dili ka magbayad. Amo yaon sa admission. Sa confession, pag amin mo nga declaration of accused expressly acknowledge his guilt of offense charge. So nga giamin mo ang giamin mo ang sala or sa kuan pa direct acknowledgement of guilt. So gidirect mo statement accused that he is guilty or guilty siya yadto na gi-charge sa iya na offense, no? So nga sa judicial admission, an admission verbal or written made by a party in the course of proceeding in the same case, so does not require proof. So di na kinahanglan ng proof. Ito mga same case does not prove. So di na kinahanglan mga proof. The admission may be contradict. I-contradict na niya only by showing that it was made through palpable mistake or take imputed admission does not in fact made. So palpable mistake pasabot malinaw or klaro na siya na kuan mali, di ba? May palpable mistake. So elements of judicial admission, so the same must be made by the party to the case. Ikaduha, the admission to be judicial must be made in course of the proceedings in the same case. So no, does not require a particular from admission. So res inter alius acta alteri nocere non debit. So things done between stranger ought not to injure those who are not parties to them. So branches of res inter alius acta rule, admission by the third party. Then ikadua ay similar acts as evidence. Section 27, Rule 130, then Section 35, Rule 130 gihapon. So, admission by the third party. So, general rule, the rights of a third party cannot be prejudiced by an act, so declaration or omission of another except. So, di siya ma-prejudice, dili siya kuha, no? Cannot be prejudiced by an act. So, ito admission by co-partner or agent. So, the act of declaration of a partner or agent, the party within the scope of authority and during the existence of partnership or agency may be given evidence against such party, such partnership or agency shown by evidence. Other such act declaration, the same rule applies. Declaration of joint owner, joint debtor or other person jointly interested within the party. Section 29, the Rule 130. So, guys, una ang co-partner or agent. So, ang co-partner, amo yaon ang kaiban mo sa pag-build. For example, yun, mangutang ka. Di ba kabantay ko yaon may mga co-maker. Amo yun, di bali, co-partner. Co-maker ni mo, kay bali, may iyo, di bali, partnership. No? So, admission by so ikaduha, admission by co-conspirator, the act or declaration of conspirator or relating to the conspiracy during the existence may be given evidence against the conspirator after the conspiracy is shown evidence. So nga di sa kuan, mahatag ang evidence against sa co-conspirator after siya ang conspiracy is mapakita as a evidence such as acts or declaration under the Section 30, Rule 130. So, sunod, admission by previous. So, whereon derives title of property from another, the act, declaration, or omission of the latter while holding the title or in relation to the property is evidence against him. So, nga di sa previous where one derives the title property from another. So, ikuha ko niya ang property likad sa lain. So, acts, declaration or omission sa latter, nga di sa latter mo, sa last person while holding kuno the title in relation to the property is against amo siya ebidensya na against sa iya. Sunod ang previous person who are partakers or itong partakers na tao or have may interest o itong tao na may interest or ngadto sa for example sa ito niya kabutang adi sa itong sa title mo mga titulo ng lupa. So a privy is one who derives his title to property from another. O yung tulong kay na ito may interest sa property, no? Example, predecessor in interest or successor. So, amo ni siya. Predecessor, amo ni sila. Example, no? Successor. No? Itong pagkasunod. So, number 2, similar acts as evidence. So, evidence that one did or did not uncertain things one time is not admissible to be proved. So, di na kinahanglan pa na i-prove that he did or not do the same similar another time but maybe receive prove specific intent, knowledge, identify plans, habit, custom, your usage. So similar acts di na need pa ipakita pa, di na siya that what time is not admissible, di na siya admissible under the Section 34 Rule 130. So implied admission by silence, so adaptive admission. So, an act, declaration made by presence within the hearing, observation by party who not says nothing. The act, declaration such naturally called for action is comment if not true. So, nga di admission by silence, gi-admit niya bisan wala siya managlaong by his action. For example, question siya. Tapos yan luspad siya. So reaction during the reaction or kurog siya. So during questioning, an ialawas siya may mga changes, for example, luspad siya, kurog siya or ikulba siya. So siyempre admission by action yan siya. Admission by silence yan siya. So now the flight is an implied admission. Flight from justice is an admission by conduct. The weak please when no man pursuit but innocent is bold a lion. So nga di mo. Grabe na kuan. Grabe na pagkakuan. So offer of compromise. So in criminal cases, except for those involving quasi offense or ito mga quasi na kuan na offense, criminal negligence or those allowed by the law of compromise and other compromise by the accused may be receive evidence as an implied admission of guilt. So nga di iton mga kuan ko no, ito na mga tao is makareceive sila ng evidence as an implied admission of guilt. So confession, declaration of accused, knowledge of guilt. So declaration kay na direct acknowledgement of guilt mo charge. So or any offense necessarily included therein may be given evidence against him. So Section 33, Rule 130, so categorical acknowledge of guilt made by accused criminal case without exculpatory or waray mga deceit or mga pamakak. Direct acknowledgement, confession. Judicial confession is one made before the court, which case pending court or legal proceeding therein by itself can sustain conviction. So judicial, so paano siya judicial, so sa kwan siya ga amin sa court, no? So extrajudicial confession one made outside yadi made before a court which can be is pending, so nga di sa court ni himo. Yadi extrajudicial confession one made sa outside the court and cannot sustain conviction unless corroborate or evidence corpus delicti. Corpus delicti is caught in the act or may mga sign niya or mga rating, no? An extrajudicial, amo yan, pwede. Extrajudicial confession not sufficient ground for conviction. An extrajudicial confession made by accused shall not be sufficient ground for conviction unless corroborative or evidence corpus delicti, section 333. So muna ito lang ko kayo na. So corpus delicti may refer following the body of the crime. Simply the body of the crime. Kaduha is the actual commission of the charge. Sample ya, abtan gay nila mo na yagihimo gay dito na krimen. So the fact that crimes been actually committed, actually, so gi-actual gid paghimo, no? So may extrajudicial conviction niya kitaan gid siya may knowledge gid dito niya kakita iton, for example, police. Extrajudicial conviction made by a person arrested, detained or under custodial investigation. So in extrajudicial conviction di mo siya nan yaton detained or under custodial investigation na tao. So letter E, in writing, so lang kokaina pwede ang extrajudicial confession in writing. Kedua is signed by such person in presence of his counsel or the latter absence upon valid waiver or presence of parents, elder brother and sister or spouse or municipal mayor. So amen siya. So amen sila dapat yan presence. May mga presence niya yon. So interlocking confession. So is the confession in a criminal case corroborative of such is to impose faith must have basis in fact, where an extrajudicial confession is not made by several persons charged with a conspiracy. There could have been no conclusions with a reference to several confession. The facts that statement are all immaterial respect intellectual confirmatory of the testimony of the accomplice. So guys, ini si accomplice. So guys, yon si accomplice, kasabwat yon siya mo. For example, the person who sinimintabang aids or participates in confession of a crime or commission of a crime or is not been main person who actually did it. So anyon si accomplice ko anyon siya kumaga kasabwat mo. With the confession may have been may several person charged. So damo sila na tao na charge. So conspiracy. So simple conspiracy may imo partner mo. Amen siya. So 3 general forms of evidence. So number 1 object evidence is that which is addressed to the sense the court is not limited of view the subject is extends to visual, auditory, tactile, gustatory, olfactory, VATGO. So section 1, so object as evidence. So object as evidence are the address of senses of the court. So when object relevant to the facts in issue may be exhibit to examine or viewed by the court. So nga di pag object and evidence i-examine or tanaonan court. Then object evidence is also known as RDEP. So amo ni siya real evidence. So siyempre pag object evidence gihimo for example pag dusmag or unadakan na matawag siya na object real evidence. So demonstrative evidence, autoptic presents physical evidence. So requisite admissibility of object evidence. So the evidence must be relevant. Dapat relevant siya, dili siya karaan or dili siya yaon yaon dili bitaw dapat relevant related sa ikaduha the object evidence must be competent. Dapat taasan niya possibility na madawat or gihimo gid siya. Ikatulo is authentication must be made by competent witness. So dapat eton pag-identify aton pag-kuan di bali pag-examine o pag-identify ito na evidence is ikuang siya nan witness or yung competent witness. Then ikaupat is the object must be formally offered in evidence. So yaton object is gi-offer siya at na imo na evidence. So authentication of object, the witness must have capacity to identify the object is very thing involved. So dapat ang witness is maya ka iya capacity no or kapasidad na ma-identify yadto na evidence or ito na butang is involved ngadto sa crime scene or itong panghitabo. Ikaduha is he must have actual or personal knowledge on exhibit the presenting for administration. So dapat may actual knowledge or may kita gid siya for example pag himo ito na kuan na krimen no may actual knowledge, personal knowledge. So categories of object evidence. So for purpose of authentication of an object evidence is classified into. So maklasify siya into unique object that readily identifiable marks, caliber 38 revolver with a serial number. So yan mga revolver mo, may mga unique, kumbaga may mga numbering ba, mga unique. For example, mga pistola. Object mada unique, our object are made readily identifiable. So typical kitchen knife, mga kutsilyo, may mga pangalan ng kutsilyo sa may mga numbering sub can readily identify the court. He claims that he made required. So non-unique unique object, these are object with no identifying marks cannot mark. Example, mga dugo, oil drugs, powder from fiber, under the third category. Ang mayan mga dili siya non-unique object, dili siya mga unique. So documentary evidence so consists of writing any material containing letters, word, numbers, figures, symbols, or other modes of writing expression offer the proof their contents. So mga documentary evidence, mga consent material containing letters. For example, yan may mga letters na mga document. For example, yan mga yung mga sinuwat, mga documentary no 2019 amendments to the 1989 revised rules on evidence. So documents as evidence consist the writing, recording, photographs. So yan siya mga documents no, mga pictures or biskan na materials containing contain siya ng letters or words, sounds, numbers, figures, symbols, or containing equivalent to the modes written offered as a proof of their contents. Classify classes of documents. So for the purpose of their presentation, evidence document either public or private. So public documents are written official acts, records, official sovereign authority bodies, tribunals, public officer, whether the Philippines or the foreign country. So nga di sa public documents, for example nga di sa public documents, yan mga kambitaw, yan mga pampubliko na mga document no. Kadua is document acknowledged before the notary. Yon sa mga magpa-notary ka bitaw, yon sa mga example magpa-notary ka sa attorney, amin mga public documents. So public records kept in the Philippines, private required law to be entered therein, section 19. So, sunod is treaties, conventions with Philippines country of source. So, letter B, all other writings are private. So, nga di, ang mga private gayod, guys, yaon mga wara manotaryuhi. No, guys, take note sa ang public, yaon mga document na notaryuhan. Din sa private, yaon mga document na wara manotaryuhi, okay? Timan niyo. Are everyday instrument executed private person without intervention of public notary. So, lakanta ka mo guys, mo. Why mga notary and private? So, sunod, requisite of admissibility of document evidence. So, the object must evidence relevant. So, dapat yan relevant. Sunod, the document should be authenticated and proved in a manner provided by the rules. So, dapat ma-prove siya, authenticated, o i-approve siya ng manners, ng rules. So, the document should be identified and marked. So, ang document ma-identify o mabutangan ng marka. Then, kaupat, the document must be formally offered in evidence. So, dapat ang document is ma-offer formal, no? Offered as evidence. Public documents as evidence. So, document consisting entries, public records, and the performance of duty in a public officers are prima facie evidence. Therein stated all the things against the person with the so prima facie evidence on its on its face sa di bali sa una pagtan-aw or pansamantala siyagi dawat or na kuan kumbaga tinuod kumbaga partially gidawat siya na tinuod, no? So sa evidence, ang ebidensya amo siya an evidence. And facts therein stated mga facts na tinuod na kasuwat o nakasaad ngadto sa document. Proof of private document before any private document offered authentic is received. Evidence it's due to execution authenticity must be proved either. So letter A, by anyone who saw the document executed where or written or. So by evidence, by evidence so genuineness signature handwriting of maker by or showing the due execution authenticity. Any private document need to identified as that which is claimed to be. So nga di dapat bisan tanan or uno man private document need gid siya i-identified as which claimed to be under the section 20 rule 132. So now when evidence of authenticity of private document not necessary. So ancient document rule where the private document more than 30 years old is produced from custody, which it will naturally be found if genuine and it's blemished by an alterations or suspicions, no evidence its authenticity need be given. So nga di ang mga karaan mo mga ancient documents so more than 30 years old produce yan siya nan custody kuan siya ka genuine and unblemished alteration. So waray alter, dili siya ma-alter o waray alteration mo or suspicion. So di na siya need pa nan evidence, no? Di na siya need patunayan. How genuine of handwriting proved? The handwriting of a person may be proved by so 3 any witness who believes to be handwriting or seen the person write or his so biskan sino na tao niya kita ng pagsuwat or iaagi or iya pa maagi ta pagsuwat, no? Kaduha by a comparison by a witness to court with writing admitted treated genuine by parties against evidence offered the proof. So nga di yaon standard bitaw kumbaga ila ikumpara ikuan di bali kung parehas ba ng stroke parehas ba nan kuan nan kataas na nagi or basta parehas na tanan ng stroke. Original document rule, original document an original of document itself or any counterpart intended to do same effect by a person executing or issuing it. So original document ang mga document na na waray mo counterpart, no, na original intended have same effect by a person executing or issuing it. An original of photograph includes negative or by print therefrom data stored computer or similar device, any printout or other output readable by sight of means shown to reflect data accurately. It is an original. Sunod, duplicate, counterpart produced by the same impression or original or symmetrics by or by means photography, including enlargements, miniatures, or mechanical electronic re-recording or by mechanically producing. So, ang siya duplicate mo yan mga if unprint. The duplicate is admissible the same extent original unless admissible siya same extent unless number 1, genuine question is raised to the authenticity original. So admissible na siya if ang genuine question is mapakita or an authenticity of the original. In the circumstances, it is unjust and inequitable. Dili siya equitable, no? To admit duplicate in lieu of the original. Dili siya equitable. Waray mga changes or untakan. So, general rule, when the subject of inquiry is the contents of a document, no evidence shall be admissible other than original document itself. So, the exception niya, letter is, when the original is lost or destroyed or cannot be produced court without bad faith on the part of report. So, yung maning exception niya, for example, mawara or maguba yaton original niya. Di na siya ma-produce in court without bad faith. Sunod, when the original is the custody or under control the party against whom the evidence offered produced when reasonable notice original cannot be obtained the local justice. So, section 5, when the original document is unavailable, so when the original document has lost or destroyed, cannot produce the offerer upon proof of execution existent, the cause unavailability without bad faith, or this part proves the contents to be a copy or a recital of contents, it's some authentic document or by testimony of witness in the order stated. So now, section 6, when the original document ko no is adverse to the custody or control